Betterment asset classes are a crucial component of investment portfolios, allowing individuals to diversify and manage risk. To better understand how to utilize Betterment asset classes, it is essential to start with the basics. An asset class is a group of similar investments, such as stocks or bonds, that exhibit similar characteristics and behave in a similar way in the market. The first step in utilizing Betterment asset classes is to understand the different types of asset classes available. These include U.S. stocks, international stocks, U.S. bonds, and international bonds. Each asset class has its unique characteristics, such as risk level and potential return, and is suited for different investment goals and risk tolerance. Once you have a clear understanding of the different asset classes, the next step is to determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you decide which asset classes to invest in and in what proportion. For example, if you are a conservative investor, you may want to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to U.S. bonds, which are generally considered to be lower risk. Another key concept to understand is diversification. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Betterment asset classes allow you to diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of asset classes, reducing your reliance on any one particular investment. In terms of practical examples, a moderate investor may allocate 60% of their portfolio to U.S. stocks, 20% to international stocks, and 20% to U.S. bonds. This allocation allows for a balance of risk and potential return, while also providing diversification. Best practices for utilizing Betterment asset classes include regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio, tax loss harvesting, and taking a long-term approach to investing. It is also essential to educate yourself on the different asset classes and investment strategies to make informed decisions. In conclusion, Betterment asset classes provide a range of investment options for individuals to diversify and manage risk. By understanding the different asset classes, determining your investment goals and risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio, you can create a well-rounded investment strategy that meets your needs. Remember to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio, and take a long-term approach to investing to achieve your financial goals.